I'm going to the car wash and the line is very long. I've been here for like 15 minutes or maybe 30 minutes already. It's a nice day today. It's 41 degrees Fahrenheit. So everybody is coming because of the salt from the car. As you can see, my windshield is full of salt. So here, it's very hard to see the cars lining up, and I cannot even see the thingy very clear. So here we are. We're going through the car wash. So is it worth it to buy this pass? So I bought the $40 unlimited wash per month, which is the jet glazed something. It's the ultimate. You can come every day, one wash per day. Every day if you like, but I don't think I'll get to consume it every day. But I think it's nice because the regular price is $20 for one wash for the ultimate wash. That's very strong. And I can smell it. It smells good. Alright, here's I think the last soap. Something. And another rinse.